Need to install an APK on your Android device? Follow along as I walk you through each step, from changing the required security setting to installing the app successfully in just a few minutes. Step 1. Disable Auto Blocker. Samsung devices. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone with the latest One UI software, Samsung enables Auto Blocker by default. This security feature prevents apps from being installed from unknown sources, so you'll need to temporarily turn it off before installing an APK. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Next, tap Auto Blocker. Turn the switch off. Then confirm your identity using your PIN, password, fingerprint, or face recognition if prompted. Once Auto Blocker is disabled, your phone will allow you to install APK files. Step 2. Locate and install the APK. Now that your phone is ready, open the My Files app. Go to the Downloads folder or select the APKs category if it's available. Find the APK file you downloaded earlier and tap on it. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to install the application. Tap Install and wait a few seconds while Android installs the app. Depending on the size of the APK, the installation may take a little longer. When the installation is complete, you will see two options: Open or Done. Tap Open to launch the app immediately, or tap Done if you want to use it later from your app drawer. For better security, it's a good idea to turn Auto Blocker back on after you've finished installing the app. This helps protect your phone from unauthorized or potentially harmful app installations. Subscribe for more Android tips, and thanks for watching.